I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. As a ridge of high pressure builds onto the plains, our highs through Wednesday, 15 degrees warmer than normal in the upper 60s to the mid 70s. Underneath that dome of high pressure, our highs are in the 80s for Thursday and Friday, possibly near 90 over areas of north central Kansas. Fire concerns are elevated to near critical through Friday with wind gusts to 30 and humidity around 25%. Critical fire conditions that prompt a red flag warning appear unlikely. Rain chances arrive late in the week through Sunday with strong low pressure tracking across the plains. That meantime for widespread rain Friday evening through Saturday night, with Saturday currently looking pretty wet. A few strong thunderstorms are possible, but the main severe threat looks to be to our southeast. Chances of wintry precipitation are low due to a lack of cold air. Rain amounts should mostly range from 20 hundredths to half inch, highs cooling to the mid-50s and the low 60s over the weekend. That long-term forecast keeping our temperatures for Nebraska and Kansas warmer than normal this weekend through the first 6 days of April, especially those early days of next month. Precipitation slightly above normal this weekend in Nebraska and Kansas. Early next week through April 6th, Nebraska precipitation predicted to be mostly near normal, while Kansas has slightly below normal precipitation. Key weather factors impacting the markets include dry conditions in wheat areas of the southwest plains, increasing rain across South America, and a lack of rain for the Black Sea region. Most of this week, disturbances crossing the U.S. are weak and disorganized, with most areas receiving only light precipitation, if any. One exception, the western Gulf Coast, where heavier rain of 1 to 2 inches may develop Thursday into Friday. Any lingering chilly conditions are limited to the Midwest and Northeast. During the mid to late week, strong low pressure situated west of Washington and Oregon results in increasingly stormy weather in the Pacific Northwest. That storm moves through the rest of the U.S. late this week and weekend with widespread precipitation. A couple of waves of precipitation are also possible in the U.S. for next week. Across wheat areas of the central and southern plains, dry and warm weather this week is unfavorable for the winter wheat. The chance of widespread rain and thunderstorms Friday and Saturday offering some hope, but the forecast favors northern areas of the southwest plains. Towards the northern plains, the effects of drought could be eased by a larger storm this weekend, beginning a more active pattern going into April. In central Brazil, continued rain this week should be mostly light. Southern Brazil could see a better chance of rain this week, but nothing heavy. Soil moisture in Brazil is mostly below normal, except for Mato Grosso, which is not very favorable for developing second crop corn. Argentina expects beneficial rain this week for corn and soybeans that are beginning to head into maturity. Double crop soybeans in Argentina benefit the most from the rain, while it may cause delays to corn harvest. In the Black Sea region, eastern Ukraine and southwest Russia are too dry and in need of rain for wheat coming out of dormancy with warmer than normal temperatures. Rain this week expected to be spotty and mostly favor the northwest Black Sea region. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.